Hey there, I'm Niall. Coming up next, a song from 1967. After a highly controversial introduction to the public on The Ed Sullivan Show, it quickly became the anthem for a generation. It's a song that started out as a folk tune, written on acoustic guitar by Jim Morrison. But Ray Manzarek's classic introduction transformed the song into something gigantic. I'm going to start with a short description of the weird chord progression he uses to get from one key to another. Then I'm going to break it down, left hand nice and slowly, right hand nice and slowly. And speed them up a bit. Then we're going to put them together and see if you can play along. You don't need to be able to read music to play a piano. So if you find reading difficult, that's not a problem. It'll most likely take quite a bit of work to get this up to speed. So if you're having problems with any part of it, don't forget you can just go back along the video. Try again. You'll get there. On this particular keyboard, I'm using a 60s organ. It's the closest sound I can get to Ray Manzarek's sound. But this will work fine on piano too. The song is written mostly in a minor key, G sharp minor. The route that Manzarek chose to get to that G sharp minor is really extraordinary. He starts off with an F sharp major, which has a very tenuous relationship with the key of the song itself. G sharp minor is the second of F sharp major. So from the F sharp major, he goes to the fifth, C sharp major, then drops a tone to E major, then to the fourth of that key, A, then to the fourth of that key, D major. He plays around with that D major, turning it into a D6 and a D sus4, before landing on the fourth of that key, which is G major, or G sus as he turns it into with his right hand. Then he rises from G major by a semitone to G sharp major, and then changes modally from G sharp major to G sharp minor, and then you're into the song. So let's start with the right hand. I'm going to break it into a couple of sections nice and slowly. Let's bring it up to speed. Now let's go with the left hand, nice and slowly. Let's bring it up to speed. Okay, if you've got all that, it's time to put them together. Let's try it slowly. Okay, let's bring it up to speed. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'm Niall. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please leave a like below, subscribe to the channel, If you'd like to watch another one of my videos, check it out up here, or my latest video right over my head. Keep that piano lid up, learn a tune a week, and build up your chops.